Okay guys, going to do a short quick video on how to replace these worn out starter buttons, start stop buttons, and the worn out cruise control. There it is. This is a 2012 RXT 260. It's pretty straightforward. This is a plastic piece. You just get a standard screwdriver, put it in. I don't know if you can see it, there's a plastic slot right there. You just put the screwdriver in there, give it a little twist, it pops right off. So there's the old button, and there's the new one. I'll spin it around so you can see. The bottom of this is nice, centered, straight, and this one it's a little bit distorted, and it's pretty straightforward. The plastic piece pops right off. Just put it on the back. So it just sits in there, and there's a hook on the back of this. So you're gonna hook it on the top, and you're just gonna push it down in place. Make sure the rubber on the edge doesn't get caught under it. So I'll try doing this with one hand. So what we do is, see how the rubber's caught on the bottom? So just get a standard screwdriver, just take it out from the edge there, and just push it down. That's it. So much for that one. These things get wrecked because you're using, sunscreen, tanning oil, whatever. These things are made of plastic. Nice, brand new, easy to put on and off. Let's go over and do the cruise control one. So my cruise control one is pretty bad. Same exact thing. Screwdriver on the bottom, pop it in one side, give it a little twist, and it pops up. The whole thing comes off. As you can see, it's pretty ratty. And this is the new one. So we're gonna do the same thing, just different color. Pop it in place. Hook it. And push down. That's it. Good as new. As I said, all distorted and worn out. Sunscreen, oil. Hopefully that helped you. To the next one.